Hi everybody, welcome to this new video in the IECHost series. Today we will have a look at the preview version of the GUI client that supports 40-track disks. Again, this is just a preview that I've put together for those willing to give it a go. In the long run, the selection of the number of tracks to work with will probably be done via a dialog within the configuration menu, with which users will be able to set 35, 40, 41 or perhaps even 42 tracks, as I'm told that there were 42 track disks around back in the day, and tools of course to write and read them. In this version, however, I've essentially removed all the controls that don't deal with non-standard 35 track disks. So those commands definitely are not supported. Although I've left the directory one tool is directory listings because it provides useful information such as disk name, disk ID, and even if it doesn't fully support the directory listing for 40 track or more disks, it's still a useful tool. The warp load button is not here anymore in this version, at least in this preview version, because restoring disks from D64 that use more than 35 tracks is not yet supported. That drive code needs quite some rework before that's possible. So at the moment it's essentially format to and warp saving disks to D64 images that is supported in this client for, again, 40 track disks only as a preview. First thing to do is make sure again that we format the disk with 40 tracks as the warp saving facility only supports standard formatted disks according to the structure defined by the DOS, which is what Format 2 creates, and other tools do as well, or did back in the day when 40 track disks were used and shared. So let's do a quick format first, and again I will try to keep the mic as close as possible to the drive so we can hear the head stepping. And it's a yes. Okay, that's done in under 23 seconds for a 40 track disk, and let's use the auto naming option for mass dumping, although it's not essential for the purposes of this video, but we just continue from where we left before, and let's warp save. So the disk popped up here. As you can see, the size is bigger than the usual 35 track disk, and also the log file will have entries for tracks path 35 up to track 14. Again, this was IECHost client 215 for 40 track disks, and it's just a preview version. Thanks for watching. Bye!